What's up guys, here's Clouder from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to disable the WordPress revisions on posts and pages into a simple, fast and effective method. But once this method change the WordPress config files, please raise a site backup to keep things safe before continue, okay? After this, please go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, go to ordermine.com plus WP admin, WP login, enter your email and password. It's gonna be a page almost like this one. Right here, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner screen that you're gonna be able to see, you're gonna be able to see an empty blank search box, okay? Right here. And you're gonna search for FTP, just like this. Click on install now. We're gonna search for file manager, then click into the activate. Of course you can do this on your cPanel, but let's learn how to do this from WordPress dashboard directly. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Scroll down and next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called File Manager. Click on it. The plugin gonna ask you to create an account. No needs for it. You can skip and say thanks. And right here, you're gonna be able to see the master files of your site. And if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to find the WordPress config file. Okay. Click on it. This is gonna download the file for you. You can open using the notepad. It's gonna look almost like, and all you have to do is type enter into the top section and place this code: define WP post revision false. Okay, simple, right? Then you're gonna go file, save, and you're gonna get this file and upload right here. How to do this? Scroll down, right click with your mouse button right here, and you're gonna be able to see an option called upload folder. Once the folder gonna have the same name of the WP config, you're gonna be able to replace the files. Another simple way to fix it or to edit the config file, it's find the WP config file right here, right click with your mouse button, click on code editor, and right here you're gonna be able to place your code and hit the save button directly without needs of downloading and uploading files. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.